windy here in Texas. Cadillac Ranch. Hey, don't worry if you forget your paint, they'll sell it to you. I think there's a guy out front selling jewelry made of the old paint that they harvested too. Yeah, the amount of paint that was on these. I mean, you can see all the paint that had slid off that one. The roof is actually caving in the inside. Look at the, it's all paint, guys. There's no body there. It's probably a foot thick in places. Some of these cars, I mean, I don't know how many times, I mean, you look at that one, it's almost 2 foot thick. They say that they come in and they'll chip paint off, and there's a guy out front that's making jewelry, and there's another guy in town who made some, and I think it's Cadillac or something like that he called it. I don't know. It was actually pretty cool looking stuff, but I mean, it'd be easy to recreate. You got a couple cans of spray paint, spray a big wad of it, and in about 3 or 4 days you would probably have enough that you could start chipping off and polishing down, maybe put a little clear coat over top of on a piece. I mean, $10-12 a piece they wanted for them. Pretty good racket. It was cool looking stuff too. Of course, there's some inappropriate stuff painted on them, and I skipped over that. But hey, of course, I had to bring along some paint cans, and like I said at the beginning, they'll sell it to you out front, but you're not going to get the $3 Lowe's spray paint if you buy it there, I guarantee it. And they kind of make you feel like you're supposed to buy it there because they put Cadillac Ranch approved. But it's pretty cool.
I win.
Good enough? There you go, Brett. Get it.
And there it is. Cadillac Ranch, you've been marked. Well, there they go, guys. Saying goodbye to them, and yep, there's my mark. Right there. Probably won't last the rest of the day. But you know, that's the cool thing about these little roadside attractions. Imagine no interstate and you're going on a 2-lane road across the country. You know, when you stop, and these places are the sanity check. These are the places that you come to kind of unwind and just, not really because it was so awesome, but it was something to break up the monotony of the drive, and it was a totally different kind of drive. These were easy to stop, get out of the car, go up to. Nowadays, with the interstate, man, you've got to plan your trip for a half a day to be able to get to some of these. So, and it killed towns. Of course, Amarillo was not one of them that it killed, but the interstates they're necessary. I don't know, kind of suck too. Just down from Cadillac Ranch, you got Second Amendment Cowboy, so we had to check that out too, because you know, you got a couple old caddies up there, and you can see him. A couple of grills, smokers. It's complete cars. Pretty damn solid condition too, bird's nest. The truth is, I'm going to bet that they've used these cars because they're 4-doors. And let's face it, at one time you couldn't give a 4-door car away. Even Cadillac. In case any of you forget, which will include their own government. Don't trust your government, people. Sorry. They're awful. Remember what I said about roadside tracks? Well, sometimes, you know, something sounds like it'd be neat and it just isn't. Okay, here's a pair of legs.